In this tutorial I will show you how to create blend effect in Photoshop. Let's start. Type already text. Duplicate layer. Control Shift U. Go to Filter Blur Gaussian Blur. Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter Distort Displace. Select Blending option. Press Alt. Press Alt. That's it. Hope you like it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Support my channel. Link in description. Also check out other tutorials in my channel. Thank you for your support.